How to delete your saved avatars in Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your saved avatars in Roblox. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Roblox app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the avatar icon which can be seen in the bottom center of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, on the next page, what you can do is you can just find the saved avatar that you want to delete. And after that, once you have found the avatars that you want to delete, you can just tap on it, and here in this section you'll find the three dot icon. So there you can just tap on it, and after that you can just select delete from the pop-up menu. And here, just in case if you don't see the delete option, it could mean that the Roblox may not currently allow deleting saved avatars directly in some version of app. And here in that case, you may simply overwrite the saved avatar by creating and saving a new one. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.